Hi, are you interested in starting or growing an online business? Learn from digital marketing experts, all the best and latest training and courses. These are our programs using proven marketing system and results-driven outcomes. We've got AI Academy for beginners. This comprises explanation how AI can revolutionize your business. If you don't know where to start, the Beginners Academy is designed to demystify artificial intelligence for newcomers and show you how to leverage it for real results, from automating tasks to increasing revenue. This course will teach you how to implement AI strategies without any technical background. Get ready to future-proof your business and income. Digital business launch. If you're eager to launch your digital business but overwhelmed by where to begin, Digital Business Launch course provides a proven step-by-step guide designed for beginners, helping you find your niche, attract customers and generate income, all without the confusion. Whether you have a business idea or just starting from scratch, this program equips you with everything you need to start and grow a profitable online business. Millionaire Algorithm. Are you ready to unlock the strategies that top entrepreneurs use to achieve massive success? The Millionaire Algorithm reveals the blueprint for scaling your business. No matter your starting point, you'll discover the key systems, habits, and mindsets that successful business owners use to drive exponential growth and wealth. This course isn't just about theory, it's about actionable insights to help you hit your next revenue milestone faster. Affiliate Marketing Mastery. Do you want to build a profitable income stream without creating your own products? The Affiliate Marketing Mastery course teaches you exactly how to earn commissions by promoting products you love. Whether you're just starting or looking to refine your skills, you learn proven strategies for finding high-converting products, attracting the right audience, and scaling your earnings. The step-by-step guide simplifies the process so that you can focus on generating passive income. AI Faceless Monetization. Are you looking to generate income without showing your face online? The AI Faceless Monetization course teaches you how to leverage AI to create, market, and monetize digital content without ever appearing on camera. Perfect for those who prefer staying behind the scenes. This course covers everything from content creation to automation and monetization strategies. Ready to unlock new streams of income while staying anonymous? Click now to learn how to build a profitable faceless business using AI. How to run profitable webinars. Looking to host webinars that convert viewers into paying clients? The How to Run Profitable Webinars course is your go-to guide for creating impactful revenue-generating webinars. You learn how to structure your content, engage your audience, and use proven techniques to drive sales. Whether you're a beginner or looking to optimize your current strategy, this course equips you with the tools to turn your presentations into profit, even if you have no experience. AI Prompt Masterclass will teach you how to craft high-quality prompts that get the most out of any AI tool. Whether you're creating content, automating workflows, or enhancing productivity, mastering prompts is the key to maximizing efficiency and results. This course is designed for beginners and experts alike, offering actionable insights that can be applied immediately. Click now to discover how prompt mastery can revolutionize your business. AI Digital Product Profits. Are you looking for personalized guidance to launch and grow your digital product with AI? The AI Digital Product Profits program provides you with hands-on expert advice and actionable strategies to fast-track your success. Whether you're just starting or aiming to scale, this program is designed to give you the support and insight you need to achieve real results. Ready to receive step-by-step guidance from someone who's been there before? Click now to learn how. School and Community Mastery. The School Groups Mastery course teaches you how to build, grow, and engage powerful groups using the school platform, whether you're creating a mastermind, coaching group, or community for your business. This course breaks down everything from setup to scaling, ensuring you maximize value for your members. Ready to turn your group into a vibrant hub for learning and networking? Click now to explore how school groups can elevate your business. Facebook Ads Mastery. Are you ready to harness the power of Facebook ads to drive consistent leads and sales? The Facebook Ads Mastery course teaches you step by step how to create, launch and optimize highly effective ad campaigns. Whether you're new to Facebook ads or looking to refine your strategy, this course provides you with proven techniques to scale your business quickly. Click now to learn more and take your advertising skills to the next level. Includes everything you need to succeed. Instagram organic marketing. Want to grow your Instagram audience and drive sales without paying for ads? The Instagram organic marketing course will show you how to use free, proven strategies to boost your profile, create engaging content and attract the right followers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your organic marketing to the next level, this course provides the tools and insights to help you succeed without the need for paid advertising. Click now to discover how to grow your business. YouTube Ads Mastery. Ready to unlock the potential of video ads to grow your business? The YouTube Ads Mastery course teaches you how to create, target and optimize video ads that convert viewers into customers. Whether you're a beginner or looking to improve your ad performance, this course provides you with expert insights and proven strategies to help you scale fast. Discover how YouTube ads can generate consistent leads and sales for your business. Click now to learn more. LinkedIn Mastery. Looking to unlock the power of LinkedIn for your business? The LinkedIn Mastery course will teach you how to effectively network, generate leads and build your brand on LinkedIn. Whether you're new to the platform or looking to optimize your strategy, this course provides actionable steps to help you attract high-quality clients and expand your professional reach. Click now to discover how LinkedIn can become the most powerful business growth tool. LinkedIn is one of the best tools for professionals and business owners. TikTok Ads Mastery. Ready to turn TikTok into your lead-generating machine for your business? The TikTok Ads Mastery course will teach you how to create high-converting TikTok ad campaigns that capture attention and drive sales. Whether you're new to TikTok ads or looking to enhance your current strategy, this course will provide step-by-step guidance to help you target the right audience, create compelling ads, and maximize your ad spend. Click now to learn how you can use TikTok ads to scale your business and boost your brand's visibility. Google Ads Mastery. Want to get consistent leads and sales using Google Ads? The Google Ads Mastery course will teach you how to create, manage and optimize ad campaigns that generate real results. Whether you're new to Google Ads or want to improve your current strategy, this course provides step-by-step guidance and proven tactics to help you reach your target audience and scale your business. Ready to stop wasting money and start seeing real ROI? Get started today with Google Ads Mastery. Tap into one of the most powerful traffic sources. Autobots Academy. Want to automate your business and increase efficiency? The Autobots Academy course teaches you how to use bots to streamline processes, manage tasks and save time without needing any technical skills. Learn how to set up and deploy automated systems that handle lead generation, customer service and more, giving you more time to focus on growth. Ready to leverage the power of automation to scale your business effortlessly? Click now to learn how bots can transform the way you work. AI Newsletter. Looking to build a profitable newsletter with the power of AI? The AI Newsletter Business course teaches you how to create and scale an automated newsletter that attracts readers and generates income. Learn to leverage AI tools for content creation, audience growth and monetization without needing prior experience. Ready to turn your newsletter into a passive income stream? Click now to discover how you can use AI to grow your business effortlessly. Create a business you can sell and remain faceless. Outsourcing. Want to free up your time and scale your business faster? The Business Outsourcing Masterclass shows you how to delegate tasks efficiently so you can focus on growth and high-level strategy. Learn how to hire, train and manage remote teams to handle operations, customer service, marketing and more. Whether you're new to outsourcing or looking to streamline your processes, This course gives you the tools to maximize productivity. Click now to learn how outsourcing can transform your business. The Diploma in Internet Marketing. Looking to gain an in-depth understanding of Internet marketing, the accredited Diploma in Internet Marketing offers an in-depth, certified course that covers all the essential areas of digital marketing, from SEO to social media and paid advertising. Whether you're just starting or looking to upgrade your skills, this diploma is designed to equip you with practical strategies to grow your business or career. Explore how this accredited course can help you become a certified expert in marketing. TikTok organic marketing. Want to grow your TikTok audience without paying for ads? The TikTok organic marketing course teaches you how to attract followers, boost engagement, and generate leads using only free strategies. Learn how to leverage TikTok's algorithm, create viral content, and grow your business, all without spending on paid promotions. Whether you're new to TikTok or looking to optimize your organic strategy, this course offers actionable steps to help you succeed. Click now to discover how to grow your brand on TikTok. More courses are coming soon. We're always adding fresh, up-to-date training and courses to help you stay ahead in your business journey. Whether you're interested in learning new skills or sharpening existing ones, there's always something new for you to discover. Don't miss out. Check back often to explore our latest editions. And while you're here, take advantage of our free training today. Click below to unlock valuable resources that can help you to take your business to the next level. Check our free training session to learn more. Are you looking to get more hands-on one-to-one coaching and mentoring? There are coaching programs to suit your needs. AI Business Success System. Ready to make AI a significant income stream in just 3 months. The AI Income System course offers a comprehensive step-by-step approach to building and scaling an AI-driven business. Whether you're a beginner or already in the digital space, this course provides you with the tools, strategies, and guidance to leverage AI for consistent profits. Click now to learn more and discover how you can unlock the earning potential of AI in just 3 months. Learn everything with our hands-on coaching approach. Affiliate Academy 2.0 one-to-one coaching. Want to build a profitable affiliate marketing business? The Affiliate Academy course offers a complete guide to mastering affiliate marketing, helping you generate consistent income by promoting products you believe in. Learn how to find high-converting offers, drive targeted traffic, and maximize your earnings with proven strategies. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your approach, this course provides step-by-step guidance to fast-track your success. Click now to learn how you can build a sustainable income stream. And Digital Business Coaching, expert guidance to launch and grow your digital business. The Digital Business Coaching program provides personalized one-to-one mentoring to help you accelerate your business success. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to scale, this program offers tailored strategies, actionable steps, and direct support from an experienced mentor. Transform your business with expert advice and hands-on mentoring. Learn how personalized coaching can help you achieve your business goals. Do you want to be our next success story? Book your digital business roadmap session below. It's completely free, where we help you create a real roadmap to hit your business goals. Book your roadmap session here. And how to use ChatGPT and AI to make up to £1,000 per day. This is a course that doesn't require any experience or technical skills. It's beginner friendly. How to get started and monetize this AI opportunity before it's too late. Get access to the 1% AI and chatbot GPT knowledge not available to the public. How to generate leads, sales, and automate delivery of your business. More importantly, how you can copy exactly the same system. Why online courses and e-learning? This is the projected market growth in the next few years. So that's from 2024 to 2027. There's likely to be a further 36% increase or so in the market. So that's from approximately 300 to 380 trillion dollars. Sorry, billion dollars. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Get started today. Click on the link down below this video and we can help you to achieve online success using AI for your business. Cheers for now.